bunnies. You gotta be bold. Just rock the world. Booyah! La 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 la. La 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 la. You happy?
Hello, Norwegians. My name is Sean Nathan Villela. Tumatakbo bilang President ng Padayon Party List. Vote wisely, mabuhay, and thank you.
Hello, Norwegians! Ako si Eliza A. Nervasio, tumatakbo bilang Vice President under Padayon Party List. Vote wisely, mabuhay.
Kamusta, Norwegians? Ako si Colin Padayon, tumatakbo bilang Secretary under Padayon Party List. Vote wisely and mabuhay.
Kamusta? Ako si Sabrina Gabriel Navarro, tumatakbo bilang Treasurer under the position of Treasurer. Vote wisely.
Hello, Norwegians! My name is Romeo Charlotte Cruz Mendoza, tumatakbo bilang Auditor under the party list of Padayon. Vote wisely and mabuhay.
Hello, Norwegians! My name is Roberto Lacosta Comosa, running for the position of PIO under Padayon Party List. Mabuhay and vote wisely.
Hello, Norwegians! My name is Castle Zoe Stewartson Cruz Mendoza, running for Sergeant-at-Arms on Padayon Party List. Mabuhay and vote wisely.
Kamusta, Norwegians? Ako si James Timothy C. Crisostomo, tumatakbo bilang Sergeant-at-Arms under the Padayon Party List. Vote wisely and mabuhay.
Hello, Norwegians. My name is John Cedric A. Cartaño, under Padayon Party List. Mabuhay and thank you.
Hello, Norwegians. My name is Jose Carlito Diary under Padayon Party List. Mabuhay and thank you.
Hello, Norwegians. My name is Riley Rodas, under the Padayon Party List. Mabuhay and thank you.
Hello, Norwegians! My name is Ethan Joseph A. Intalan. Vote wisely.
Hello, Norwegians. My name is Ira Kristen B. Peñalosa. Vote wisely. Thank you.
Hello, Norwegians. My name is